Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get CSV files from Kucoin. Okay, here's how you do that. First you have to access at your Kucoin account, okay, and then open it up or launch it as the case may be. So how do you get an account on Kucoin? Very simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and then locate the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of your screen. In the search bar, type kucoin.com. It's going to take you to the official website. At the top right corner, you're going to find sign up button. Click on the sign up button and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, once you've created your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage, all right, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Kucoin. So from here, let's hop into today's start with how to get CSV files from Kucoin. Now you get CSV files from Kucoin when you want to check your transaction history. So once you check your transaction history, you can now download the CSV files, export or download CSV files from the history. All right, so top corner, you're going to see a few headings and subheadings. Go ahead and click on assets. So that's not assets. We click on others. So once you click on others, as you can see right below in this drop down menu, you're going to see, or this extended menu, you're going to see spot trade history, margin trade history, futures history. So you can now select any of them. So let me say I'm selecting spot trade history and I want to get my trade history from there. So here you go. So as you can see, I can find my order history. For spot, I can find my trade history. For spot, I can find my subscriptions and all of this. So trade history, order history. So order history, now I can check my order history from the last 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. All right, and then once I'm done, I can now click here, save as CSV. And once I click on save as CSV, you will see that it will be saved. So I can click on save as CSV and then select the time, the duration, the pair. All right, that's the pair, that's the currencies. Or do you want to do all, or you want to pair them? How do you want to do? So that's up to you. And then the side, you can even select the side. You see all, or the ones that you sold or the ones that you bought. And then the type, you have to select that as well. So limit order, market order, stop market order. There are a lot of options there. Stop limit order, OCO, trailing stop order. Select that type that you want and then click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, you're going to see it says no data. So once you click on confirm, you'll see that the history will start downloading as CSV. You need to save to your systems folder, so you can repeat that for trade history. All right, so let's say I'm going back to others. You can now do the same for margin trade history and futures trade history. All right, it's still the same process. You're going to see save as CSV. And also you can do the same for your withdrawal. All right, withdrawal history, and that's deposit and withdrawal. So here from the left corner, click on history, and once you click on history, it's going to open that up. You see, so you can now select the duration from which you want to withdraw. All statuses, all coins, select that. If you want all coins or specific coins, and your statuses, you can select them and then go ahead and click on CSV download, and that's where it will be it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you're good to go. I hope this video helped you search.